Well, good morning everybody. Welcome to day 6. This is the day where we head from Loyalty Beach here, where we camped last night, up to the tip, the far north tip. Have a bit of a look around and visit the crock tent on the way up and get some souvenirs. Have maybe lunch at Punsan Bay and then wander back and pack things up. So let's go. Today's only about 40 k's to go. We're going to wind our way nice and easy up through the township here of Bamaga and through some nice rainforest. Not a bad day. It's warmed up. It's going to be a nice day today. But blue sky. It's already warming, so it's probably mid-20s already. So I'm guessing it'll get up to close to 30 by around lunchtime. Idling out of camp nice and quiet. You're up this way, this is the place to stay, Loyalty Beach, that's for sure. The fish and chips we had last night for tea were awesome. It was mackerel, which I really enjoyed. Well, we just pulled up at the crock tent, had a bit of a stretch. We've probably done 15 or so k's. And yeah, a bit of a souvenir shop in here, get a drink and stuff, so I'm going to go and have a bit of a look around, see what I can find.
Come on, this is getting weird. Getting weird? I'd like to jump on the lap too. It's been a long week. Yeah. You got that mate. Thank you very much. Thanks, mate.
We did it. Well, there we go, 1450 k's over 5 days. Had an absolute ball. We've conquered all the master tracks. We've had everything thrown at us. Wet, slippery, slimy, clay. We've had dusty roads, we've had rocky trails, we've had sand. And that's the beauty of this trip, you get everything thrown at you. I've had an absolute ball, and thanks for the guys for Canberra that joined us all on this trip on the Ultimate Cove Escape. Thanks Damien and Mark for lead and sweep riders, and Bucky for driving the truck and cooking up the meal. We're just heading back to camp now. I'm going to hang our boots up and have a shower and a cold beer. So thanks for watching. Until next time, ride safe. See you soon.